Alright, so in today's video we're going to show you how to put on the front fender as well as the front two shocks for our 125cc Thunder dirt bike. So as you can see under here, we have 5 holes for 5 bolts. We already went ahead and took the bolts off. So you're just going to try to line this up under and then throw in the bolts. So once those are in, you can tighten them with the 8th socket. And once all 5 are in, that's your front fender. And next we'll move to the shocks.
So now when doing the shocks, you want to make sure you're putting the correct shock on the right side. So your right shock would look like this, where your brake attaches to, and your left shock will just look like this. So it won't have these extra 2 holes. So you want to take off the reflectors first, just so you have access to the bolts on the side. And then the bolts are a 5 socket and a 6 socket. The top one is a 6. And you just slide it so it just perfectly sits on top, and then you tighten your bolts. Just like so. And then you move over here. And then you can put your reflector on after. And then the same goes for this side. Just like, it'll line up just like this.